Local news for the 7th of July. The latest monthly Kiwi House Price Index shows nationwide residential property values for June increased 8.1% over the past year, which is the slowest annual rate since March 2015. Values rose by 1.2% over the past 3 months. However, in Wairarapa, which is continuing to benefit from the flow-on effect of recent price hikes in the Wellington region, sees Masterton values up 23.3% year-on-year, 5% over the last 3 months. Carlton also up 24% year-on-year, and the South Wairarapa district 25.5% year-on-year. An earthquake was widely felt across the region last night. The 4.4 quake struck at 8:44 p.m, 10 kilometres west of Masterton at a depth of 20 kilometres. A Wairarapa sales consultant has been named as New Home Consultant of the Year. Brian Brewster is the winner of the Supreme Individual Award for results achieved in 2016, announced at Virginian Homes Annual Awards evening in Fiji on Wednesday night. Wairarapa franchise owner Gareth and Kate Norris say we're honoured to have Brian receive the top award, as we pride ourselves on having a great team who are constantly challenging ourselves to improve. And in sport, in this weekend's Premier Club Rugby, Gladstone hosts Marist, Carlton are at home to Greytown in the Battle of the Bridge, Ikitahuna hosts Pioneer, while Martinborough will look for maximum points against the East Coast. And in the senior reserve top 4, Masterton, Beanstar and Puketoi will go head-to-head at Trust House Memorial Park, while Tuhirangi will host Martinborough.